Hi everyone, it's been a while. If you're looking for things to print or running out of ideas, I'm going to show you this, and if you happen to be a coffee drinker, you'll definitely love this. The designer has done a great job and he's actually won, first place, I believe, in the contest on printables. And these are some of the examples that is shown. So what this does is that it allows you to customize whatever equipment you have, and you can print them out and put it next to your station. Designer has done a great job to include the more famous or universal sizes, including 58mm portafilter. And if you don't have any size that you need, he also included like blank blocks, where you can essentially use Prusa Slicer's built-in function to insert negative volume to customize your need. So here are some of the examples that other people has printed out. How you can print however big or small you want, really. I'm going to cut to some of the clips showing where I print, the sides and how I assemble them quickly. Then I'm going to show you my coffee station. So these are now ready. I'm going to try to install this onto the plate. So the beauty for this design is that there are this male and female tabs, and all these black blocks are customizable, where the designer has done a great job for the most available sizes. For these bigger ones and all this, which I'm going to show you later, I'll just use like the blank block and use the Prusa slicer to insert like a negative volume and cut them through. So I'll quickly show you like how to install this. So basically you can see that there are tabs here, and here all you need to do is just slide them in. And the way it works for these blocks are the same, where they have tabs for negative and positives. Sorry, not negative, but male and female. Accidentally punctured one of that, but that's okay, not to be seen. And for the side, you can see that it protrudes on the corner here. So when you print them out, you just need to be mindful of what sizes you need. As like for example, this one, it's the corner. This one, it's comparatively speaking, smaller. So it's a case of just aligning this and pushing it down. Inserting this with one hand is kind of difficult, but you get the gist. This is normally how my coffee setup station is. So these are some of the tools that I use to make coffee, which includes the hand grinder for filter coffee. This is the paper filter holder. So as you can see, it's in a bit of a mess, but with the introduction of this customized coffee block, everything is going to be so arranged. I'll quickly go through them. So this is, put it here, here, and here. So these two are customizable using the blank block that the designer has come up. Or all you need to do is measure the the diameter, circumference, or the hole that you need, and introduce like negative volume in Prusa Slicer. That's what I did. So for this one, it's a shaker. Again, grinder, distributor, tamper, and the container for the beans. So as you can see, everything is now nicely arranged. I don't use that anymore, but they do have like a block for this. I didn't bother printing it, so just leave it there. But definitely recommend this, especially for the customization that it offers. It does have another one which holds the portafilter, but I don't think it's going to be convenient for me because it's easier for me to just prepare the coffee here. Definitely look into that. I'll put a link under the description. By all means, go and check it out. Very, very useful.